Have you ever felt lightheaded, weak, or noticed poor circulation in your body? These could be early signs of vascular constriction, and today, we're showing you how something as simple as a wooden stick can help support your blood vessels and restore balance. Let's begin with a quick pressure point release. Gently press the bile point near your ribcage for 20 seconds. This helps calm nervous tension and signals your body to relax tight vessels. Now, take a lightweight stick, hold it shoulder width apart, inhale deeply, then exhale and try to pull it apart without moving your hands for 5 seconds. This engages chest and back muscles and stimulates blood flow to vital organs like your heart, pancreas, kidneys, and even your brain. The last move targets your lower back. By massaging key points near your waistline, you help lift and stabilize intestinal loops, reduce pressure on your diaphragm, and improve digestion and liver function. These exercises may look simple, but they can gently activate deep vascular and immune responses. Have you ever tried exercises like these for your circulation? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health insights. Thank you for watching.